Here from Pixie Site, and we're going to have a look at how we can add an announcement bar up the top of our Squarespace website. So this can be annoying to find, and there's a reason why a lot of people have trouble adding their announcement bar at the top. It is not under pages, it is not under design, it's not under edit, but it is under marketing. So if we go ahead and click on marketing, you can see under engagement there we have got announcement bar. So if we hit that, it might come up with this. Otherwise, to say try again, otherwise it's going to tell us that we are unable to enable it until we select a plan, but we can still get it ready if you have not purchased a plan yet and your website is not live. If it is live, then this will happen. You are able to create it straight away, of course. So we're just going to click on disable announcement bar and we're going to hit enable. So in here, where it says this is an announcement, you can replace that with your own text. So you can see up the top here, it has already added it in. You can see the text, this is an announcement. So the color that it is going to match your theme color. So we can have a look in a moment at how we can change the color of that if you're wanting to still keep the same color of the theme for that section. So let's go ahead and type something in here. So you've got to think about your goal of your website and what action you're wanting people to take. So let's say you have got a sale on at the moment. Let's say it's an Easter sale and you're wanting to encourage people to make purchases. Then it might be a reminder of the code, which is Easter for 20% off. It might be something like if you purchase 2 items, you will get 20% off. So you're encouraging that sale. It could be if you're wanting people to pick up the phone and call you, or you're wanting them to click on it and call you straight away, then it will be a call to action. So we can add a link to it, getting it to go to a different page that we want it to go to, or obviously, yeah, like I say, a phone call or something. So let's say, or possibly, let's say this is a flower one, please place orders before 11 a.m. for same day delivery. So this of course would be, if it's a question that you get asked often, eliminate people having to ask you. Place in order, eliminate people having to ask you and answer it already for them. If you click on that gear icon there, then you can link it off to an email, a different web address, which you probably want to keep people on your website, take action. Same with downloading a file, phoning you directly, or if we click on page and then click here, then you can choose a page that you would want it to go to. So of course, if it was contacting you, you might hit that. If you were encouraging sales, then you might link it to the shop button there. So let's just do that for an example anyway. So if we go ahead and save that, then that is done and our announcement bar is there and ready on our website. So if we were wanting to change the color here, we go ahead and click on edit. So we're in our normal edit mode, and the site header currently is keeping the same theme as the theme that's below it. So if we click in, we can see here underneath style that you've got the background color and the nav color here. So that's where it's either you can choose your colors there, otherwise it's just pulling it in from the theme. So if we have a look underneath site styles and we head into colors, you can see that the theme color here has popped up. So this is under lightest one. So if we click on lightest one, and it's going to bring up all these different, the actual individual colors. So if I go ahead and click on that announcement bar, you can see here that under lightest one for this color theme, the background is going to be black and the text is going to be that color. So I do recommend that you stick with the theme. Of course, this has worked out very nicely. It looks good and it's consistent, but if you were wanting to change it to a different color within your palette, then you are able to do so right there. So just always make sure that once you've made any changes that you go ahead and click on save.